Okay, everyone, here's the Bank of America so-called 18 cheap stocks, according to them. And this is based on the thesis that they hold that manufacturers will be reshoring production back to the US given the supply chain constraints. And they've looked at these companies. I've gone through these to see which are on my filtered list and then narrow that down onto the approved filtered list as well. We have 10,000 odd stocks on there that we go through and then cross-reference and so on and so forth. So what does that bring us to? And drum roll, please. These are on the approved filtered list. Well, on Semiconductor. And why? Well, it meets the criteria of value, revenue growth, cash flow, risk reward. Each one of those Bs is a buy rating, by the way. That's not something we take into consideration, but it just so happens a lot of the rest of Wall Street seems to be agreeing with us. This is one which, yes, it's gone up from 38 to, what are we, 68. It's almost doubled since July. So why don't we pick that sooner? Well, it didn't come up sooner for us. So have a look at it now. That's the only one which is on the list at the moment. If you're risk averse, you'd stay in cash. If you're risk loving, you'd get in. If you're risk neutral, you might wait or edge in.